Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the bullish and bearish indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the bullish and bearish indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 895 indicators with 375 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 94 of the winning indicators. 34 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the bullish and bearish indicator. You can see it here on screen. Now, in the original testing, this did 24 trades within the 1 year's time and was able to achieve a 62% win rate. So we did keep this on the daily time frame and kept it on the default take profit and stop. Let's see here, which is this right here. And so the indicator itself has kind of two parts to it. So the first part is this little area down below. Now technically we don't use the area down below here at all for the way we tested it in the original testing. The only thing we were looking for was the bar coloration. And so what we were looking for is when we would get a yellow bar, that would be a signal to go long. When we got a blue colored bar or candle, that would be a signal to go short. That's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it in the advanced testing. So before we take a look at the advanced test, if you would please give this video a thumbs up, even if it doesn't maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. We want to keep YouTube happy, and YouTube likes when we get thumbs up on the video. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now with a link up in the corner that you can click, or you can click on the thumbnail at the end of this video. The link there will take you also to the same video on the strategy, again, that we developed here on the channel. It's a profitable trading strategy. We have back tested it and forward tested it. We're constantly making tweaks to it and optimizing it and making it better. Recently, another thing that we have done was we were looking to automate that strategy, but it's a little bit challenging with the way that strategy is set up. But we've actually automated another strategy, successfully automated that strategy in partnership with Mike from Upright Trading, who is one of our admins on our Discord server. It's a strategy that he developed, and I have spent many hours and weeks back testing it and tweaking it and finding the correct settings to be able to automate it. Here in the next week or so, I'll be picking a couple handfuls of patrons from the Discord server to help in the beta testing, the initial forward testing of the automated strategy on test accounts. I currently have it running on some test accounts of my own on a live or forward testing to see how it works and work out any of the kinks in it. But again, I'll be choosing a couple handfuls of patrons to also help in that process, like I said, in the very near future. So there's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our numbers here. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades. We got 23 losing trades. And so that's going to put us at a 54% win rate. And so that does drop us below that 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so unfortunately, this one is not going to maintain that 60% criteria, and so it will go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.